Ever wondered how wind energy works? Wind energy is a clean and renewable source of power that harnesses the natural movement of air to generate electricity. By understanding this process, we can learn to power small devices like light-emitting diodes, or LEDs. In this exciting do-it-yourself project, FutureKids VR will guide you through building a real working mini wind turbine at home. Using colorful animations and AI-generated tips, this project is designed to be both educational and fun. It's perfect for young science enthusiasts aged 6 to 12 who are eager to explore the world of green technology. To start, gather materials like a small motor, blades, and a base. Follow along with the step-by-step instructions provided by FutureKids VR. You'll learn how to assemble the parts, connect the wires, and see your mini turbine come to life. With cool sound effects, each step becomes an adventure in learning about renewable energy. Renewable energy, like wind power, is essential for a sustainable future. It reduces our reliance on fossil fuels and helps protect the environment. By building your own mini wind turbine, you're taking a step towards understanding and supporting green technology. Subscribe to FutureKids VR today and power your imagination. Let's build a greener future together.